Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Xumo TV and you want to restore the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not working, not connecting, not pairing with your devices, if it seems to be lagging or frozen or freezing, we can go ahead and restore all the factory default settings on it. The other reason is if you just want to get everything wiped off of it, maybe you're selling it or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to get a fresh start, signs out of all apps, all your subscriptions, all your settings, everything is back to the way this was when it came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that quite simply. We're just going to come up here and we're going to hit the settings button to open the settings menu, and from there we're going to navigate to device settings, and from there we're going to select restore factory settings. Now if you've got a parental control pin, you'll have to put it in at this point. And then once that happens, it will do a full factory reset, and you will get the next time you use your TV, you'll get the welcome screen, get prompted to set everything back up as a brand new TV.